Manila guys. Pero parang whole day yata kami ngayon. Sabi ni Sir kahapon. At saka, thank you so much nga pala guys kay Ate Aba. Thank you so much Ate Aba. Yan sa pagpapaaral sa akin. Thank you so much talaga ate. God bless po sa inyo. Tsaka shoutout sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin dyan. Shoutout kay Ate Angie. Kumusta kayo Ate Angie? See you soon ulit. Balik ulit tayo doon. Balikin tayo ni Ate Angie. Sa ano ba yan? Kalimutan ko tuloy. Azure, sa Azure. Yan. Soon. Salamat talaga Ate Aba. So, ilang araw na lang guys. So, pang-4 na araw ngayon. So, meron na lang 3 araw na klase at saka 1 araw na ano talaga training. Doon na yata sa may ano? Tansa, Cavite yata yun. Yan. Time check natin. Anong oras na ba? Mag-alas 5:46. Maaga pa. Yan. Bisa tayo. Hindi ko naabutan. Tingnan natin. Pababa pala yung kanina. Tuloy tayo nakasabay. Sa 12th floor kasi tayo. Ang ano ko dyan guys is 300 per night. So bali 10 days tayo dyan. Sa ano na yan, sa ano kasi sa condo type. So bali bed spacer tayo doon. Pero okay naman, free wifi. So 11, 24 hours open. Shoutout kay Ate Tara. Kay Ate Tara Let's Islander. Yan. Shoutout sa'yo ate. medyo malapit dito kasi sa may Robinson. Taas may kasi doon, karinderya. So daan na tayo na ang agahan. Robinson. Hindi pa ako nakapasok dyan ah. So okay natin yan mamaya kapag uwi. Ano ang forma ng mall. Dito naman tayo dadaan guys, makabisado natin yung ano dito, kanto na to. Pero dito ako unang nag-submit guys ng resume. Yan oh, dito sa YHMB ND. Yan, yan ako unang nag-submit ng resume. At saka dito rin sa Career International Manpower Solution. Yan, ito sa harap nito. Sa Mabini Street, Ermita, Manila. Saka may nakita ako dito nung isang araw. Dito kasi ako dumaan nung isang araw pa uwi. Isang agency din papuntang Taiwan. Lapit lang yung dito eh. Pyramid International Human Resources. Pero kadalasan yan mga babae lang hina-hiring. Mga DH kadalasan ang na-hire. Wala yata ah. Parang nawala. Dito kaya yun o sa kabilang kanto. Dito rin, meron din o. World Vision Human Resources. Meron din dito. duration of a 2-year or 4 years course ay related electronics, mechanical, electrical, computer engineering. Ingay naman ang sasakyan yun. Dito man, we build your future, Riyadh. For ordinary, project manager, construction, civil engineer, mga professional ang ina-hire. Dito rin kailangan 2 years or 4 years course. Wala rin guys. Na-hire din yung mga may diploma. Tayo makakalapit. Tapos kung may diploma ka namang isasubmit, kailangan mo rin ng experience. Kasi hindi rin tatanggapin kung wala rin experience. Wala rin. Yung kanto na to guys is Ermita Manila.
Technology barrier is a specific.
Yun guys, pauwi na. Tumahan mo na ako ng NBI para mag-renew sa NBI clearance para na-expire na kasi noong June 2. So kaya expire lang. Kaya yun, i-renew ko kanina para ma-process ko yung yung sa Siemens book. Para makuha ko na rin yung makapag-schedule ako ng sa Siemens book guys. Ayun, pauwi na tayo. Maambon na naman.
Delikado kasi.
Ayos. Pero after ng guys, after ko makuha yung certificate sa BT, sa basic training namin sa 18, yun, pa-process ko yung Siemens book para online schedule. Yun. Pero after after ko makuha yung Siemens book, may kukunin na naman akong ng ibang training. Yun ang sabi ni sir. Tapos pwede akong mag-inter-island. Kukuha muna ako ng experience sa inter-island. Kaya lang ako magbabayad sa nun, sa pag inter-island ko. Kung makapag inter-island, ako magbabayad para sa experience na yon. So yata 6 months or 3 months, depende sa kukunin kong experience. Pero yun, muna ako. Sabi ni sir, kukunin ko muna yung mga importante. Gaya nung Siemens book at saka yung sa Marina, yung COP. Yun muna yung asikasuhin ko bago yung ibang training.
Depende na rin kung ano ipapakuha sa akin. Kaya ayun, inano ko si sir. Si sir, ang ano namin, instructor is Bisaya guys. Yan, nagtatanong ako sa kanya kung anong mabuting gawin. Traffic na po ganitong oras, rush hour.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.